JetBlue 4, Foxtrot, cross 4 left, would he enter?
North ramp, JetBlue 4, clear to cross 4 left.
JetBlue 4, roger, would he enter the ramp?
Down.
We have 5 brand new terminals coming on stream. We have 22 airport models. We have plans for cargo sheds. We have plans for fresh farm produce terminals across the airports. Our airport system is tremendously on the upswing, and I believe that policy continuation, consistency in implementing the plans will go a long way in bringing out the best out of the Nigerian airport system. I'll put the service improvement in 2 folds. First of all is the fact that we launched the aviation portal, which is targeted at the airlines to see the performance of the airlines, on-time performance of flights in Nigeria.
Air transport plays a leading role in the movement of people, goods and services in the transport industry. Facilities in most existing airports in the country had become dilapidated and were no longer capable of coping with increased demands for air travel. The current administration have been able to restructure the aviation industry so much that it now contributes 119 billion naira to the nation's GDP. 59 billion naira directly through the output of the aviation sector, that is, airlines, airports and ground services. 34 billion naira indirectly contributes through the aviation sector supply chain, and 27 billion naira contributes through the spending by the employees of the aviation sector and its supply chain. In addition, 78 billion naira in Catholic benefits through tourism, which raises the overall contribution to 198 billion naira of the GDP. The aviation sector now supports 159,000 jobs in Nigeria. This total comprises 44,000 jobs directly supported by the aviation sector, 64,000 jobs indirectly supported through the aviation sector supply chain, and 51,000 jobs supported through the spending by the employees of the aviation sector and the supply chain. In addition, there is a further 130,000 people employed through the Catholic tourism effects of aviation.
We've done a lot in terms of safety, infrastructure, security infrastructure, the remodeling, which you can see with the physical eye. We've also placed a lot of emphasis in terms of customer satisfaction because with the Minister, Chief Osita Chiduka, the issue of customer satisfaction is pivotal to what we operate.
Geography is on our side, demography is on our side, and I think with consistent planning and long-term vision and also long-term implementation and not having policy discontinuations, Nigeria will definitely be a hub in Africa. All the parameters to do that are here. All the ingredients for us to cook that meal is here. All we need to do is to focus and implement religiously.
All these and more are giant strides that have been achieved by the present administration in the aviation sector, and it has been able to bring the aviation sector of the country to the forefront as a major player in the game, being compared to other international standards.
We think that Nigeria should have a national carrier that is private sector driven, and I hope that that will come to materialize.